How to change profile picture on Signal. So let's start. Open the application and now go here and click on this icon. Next, click on this icon again and here choose Edit Photo. Now you can choose from avatars here. They are available for you, and also you can take a selfie right now, or you can choose from your gallery. So click on photo. We're gonna choose this one. This is just some free photo here. Click here. And as you can see, your photo is here already. And just click Save. Close application. Open the app again. And as you can see, there is your profile picture. If you want to change it or delete it, click Edit Photo again. And now just hold, tap and hold. And this delete text will show up. Just click on it and you just deleted your photo. If you want to remove your profile picture, just click on this X and that's it. And click Save. And that's it. This is how can you change profile picture on Signal in 2023. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button and see you next time. Bye bye.